Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I wanted to come to you with a review of a tablet sleeve that I got. This is from the company Toovren, and they make these nice, genuine leather handcrafted sleeves for the brand new iPad 11-inch, and it also works on the iPad 10.5. Here I have the 11-inch iPad Pro and the 10.5-inch iPad Pro and their respective pencils. And this is the case from Toovren that we're going to be trying out. So there are not a whole lot of cases out there for the iPad 11-inch right now. So I thought I'd bring this one to you. Hopefully you will like this one. You can go pick it up on the Amazon store. But first, I'll tell you a little bit about it. It's made out of this premium leather. It's got genuine stitching across. It actually can be a sleeve or it folds up. It does have a magnetic clasp right there at the edge. So it's going to hold that position just like that. Nice strong magnet. And it allows for your tablets to either be in a portrait mode or a landscape mode, just like that. So you get the sleeve and you get the actual stand itself all in one. Now, like I said, this is made for the 10.5 iPad Pro, but it also works with the 11-inch iPad Pro. So let's get a quick demonstration of how it looks on both of them. First, we're going to look at the 10.5. So we're going to slide it right in, just like that. Slides in. Now there's a nice microfiber lining right on the inside, so it's not going to scratch your screen up. Apple Pencil, first generation. Now keep in mind, first generation, right there, fits right in there, fits really snug. Tablet, pencil, can't go wrong. Now we're going to try the 11-inch. So remember, I told you earlier, we got the microfiber lining right there on the inside, goes all the way through, all the way to the bottom. We're gonna pick our our 11-inch iPad up just like this. We'll put it in and slide it just like so. There we go. Goes in really easy. It fits really nice. You got a snug fit. Now, the only thing that the company wants you to know is that this pencil is not the same length as this pencil. You see? So the way the first generation pencil fits really snugly, this one is going to give you a little gap. Now, you don't have to worry, because even though there's a gap, it does not affect the ability to hold the pencil. So it still holds it. You're just going to have that gap whenever you let it down. Now, if that bothers you, don't buy this. But if you're not worried about it and you still like this case, which I still like it, I'm enjoying it, I've been using it on a daily basis, pick it up. So go by the Amazon store, look up Toovren. It's an iPad 10.5, iPad 11-inch Pro. Remember, you got to put the Pro in there. Sleeve. Type it in, pick you one up. Go check them out in the Amazon store. Hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.